What's up, friends? Just getting a storm here, so I don't know if you heard that in the background, my other phone telling me what's going on with the rain. Anyways, today just a really quick video. I wanted to follow up on my overheating iPhone issue. So I bought, well, let me pedal back here. So I sent an email to QuadLock, because that's what I have. I have the QuadLock wireless charger, I've got the vibration dampener, and the 12-volt smart charger. And it kind of sat behind, I'll show a picture now, sat behind my windscreen. And it was about 90 degrees. The thing would overheat, and if I was following GPS coordinates, when iPhones overheat, they dim, and then they eventually go black and shut off if they get too hot. So there's a lot of variables there. So you got the hot weather in Texas, especially, there's usually 2 to 3 weeks in the summer, July and August, that we get triple digits like every day. So you're over 100 degrees. And I usually ride. I just love to ride, so I'll go out there and brave those temperatures sometimes. You got the high heat, you've got the QuadLock case, which anybody that has a QuadLock knows that case that's specifically made for the wireless charging is very thick, and it holds in heat. So the wireless charging creates a lot of heat, the case is creating heat, the fact that the phone is behind the windscreen and I'm not getting any airflow, and the high temperatures here in Texas all are going against my iPhone and making it black out on me a lot of times when I'm trying to find a place and I'm following the GPS coordinates on maps or Google Maps or whatever, and then the phone goes black and it's like, okay, great, I'm out in the middle of nowhere and how do I get back? So anyways, I did write a letter to QuadLock. They replied very quickly, and the guy recommended buying a RAM mount that screws into the brake reservoir assembly that would move the phone to the right more and out into the air. So let me go show you what I got. So this is what came in the mail. This is the number. Got this on Amazon. It was like $16 and change. So, and I'm not gonna go over the installation process because it's very simple. I'll just go show you what it looks like on the bike now. So here we are on the bike. So you'll see here now that here's the windscreen. My phone is here now. And from this angle, it looks like it impedes the rearview mirror here on the side, but it doesn't. I can see perfectly fine from where I'm sitting. So it doesn't block the mirror at all. But it does take about 60% of the phone now is sitting out here in the window, and it's QuadLocks are really strong, so it's not gonna go flying off or anything like that. So let me just take it off. So that's the wireless charger. This is the, no, I got nowhere to put my phone. No. Put it in your pocket, Jeff, because then it's gonna fall on the ground and break. So before I had it here in the picture you saw before, I had the phone was kind of mounted right here. So it's behind the windscreen, not getting any airflow at all. So I moved it from here to here. So this is the piece I bought. And here's the ball, and then it just screws right into the brake assembly here. And then here's the RAM mount adapter. Behind here is here's the vibration dampener, the wireless charger, and I've got the wire just running underneath here and off down into the nether regions of the bike. So this is on this side if you mount it on your left. I know a lot of people mount on the left because it's not your throttle hand. I'm just so used to having the phone on the right side, and that's just where I put it. So anyways, you would remove these two screws. And what I had is I had my wife just hold the brake assembly and the reservoir. I just had her hold all this in place so it didn't move. Took these screws out, popped this in, tighten it down, good to go. So it was really easy. And I haven't tested it yet, but it's definitely sitting out in the wind. And I'm gonna, we're already in the high 80s, 90s, a lot of days when it's not raining. It's raining right now. But as you can see, this QuadLock case is just solid, rubbery plastic and thick, and it really holds the heat. So what I'm gonna do is give this a test run once it's over 90 degrees, right out into the hill country, see if it works. And if it still dims a little bit, what I'm probably gonna do is, let me just put this here for a second. What I'm probably gonna do is just drill some holes through the back of the casing, avoiding this wireless charging part. Hopefully, if you drill into this area, it won't affect this part. I'm not quite sure, but probably drill a few holes here and then a few holes here and then a few on the side panels here, just to maybe help dissipate even more heat. I don't know, we'll give it a try. But I'm confident that with it sitting out here, it should get ample wind flow and be good to go. And in case you're wondering, this ram mount here is for my Insta360 camera. I mount the stick here and the camera sits up here above, and I push it forward a little bit and it just shoots out this way. So I just have that, and this one you can just take off. But that is it. So thanks for joining my little update. I'll update again later when I take it for a ride and see how it handles with the wind flow, and let you know if it works or not. But you know, it's a $16 solution, hopefully. Okay, well, have a good one. And if you're here in America, this is Memorial Day weekend. Happy Memorial Day. Enjoy. Be safe. Later.